please subscribe and share with some friends. And until next time.
Hey my lovelies, and welcome back to my channel, Taj Beauty TV. So today's video is another episode of Wear It Well Wednesdays. So the company UNice, they went ahead and sent me a unit, and this unit right here is going to be a 18-inch headband water wave wig. It's 18 inches in the color 1B. So I'm going to go ahead and show y'all her and let me know what y'all think, and I'm gonna let y'all know what I think. Okay, so let's get right into it. Alright guys, so first things first, this unit is available on Amazon. I will definitely be leaving all of the links down below in the description box. So here is the packaging. She arrives simple and sweet in a nice little quaint box just like this. Okay, so she does include some eyelashes. That's cute. She does have one headband, and then she also has some wig caps, and I really like these because they're actually like in this cocoa brown color, because normally sometimes they'd be like the blonde color. So this is super cute, the cocoa brown color. All right you guys, so here is the unit, and I actually see that there's another headband in here too. Y'all know I love my headband wigs. They're easy to just pop on and go. So this one is like a green color with some sort of floral print. And then this one is like the floral and all of that. Alright guys, so here is the headband water wave unit. Alright you guys, so she definitely feels really soft. I could run my fingers through her. You want to make sure that you're going to go ahead and shampoo her, condition her before you go ahead and wear her out. The color says 1B, but I'm seeing a lot of brown lowlights in there, and it's not a bad thing. Alright guys, so her texture seems to be really wavy. I'm excited to see how she's going to look once I put products in here. So here is the cap construction. Like I said, this is a headband unit. So it has a comb right here in the center part, and then it also has a comb at the back of the nape, and then it also has a comb on each side of the perimeter. And here is the headband, a little bit of a Velcro. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and put her on and let's see how she looks. Alright guys, so I do have my stocking cap on, but I did push it back because like I told y'all before, when I do the headband wigs, I do like to put her off of the hairline. So far she definitely feels nice and secure, big head friendly. Let me go ahead and put the headband on and let y'all know how she fit and how she's sitting. So are y'all into these headband wigs? I know we've been seeing them everywhere. Have y'all jumped on the bandwagon and got y'all a headband wig? Or are y'all still rocking those front laces? Now, like I said, because I work out, I really do enjoy the headband wigs. Perfect for working out, perfect for a grab and go. So here she is, you guys, looking basically straight out of the packaging. I'm going to go ahead and put some product in her. Now, I've definitely seen this look before, so I wouldn't say that it's doing anything extra than any other unit. The only thing that I think would really make a difference is if she was, you know, a longer length, or if she played with some color. But I must say that I've definitely seen this style before, so it's not really doing anything different than anything else. But I'm going to go ahead and add some products to her, and I'll be right back. Okay you guys, so I went ahead and used my trusty design essentials, my foam, and then I went ahead and used my almond and avocado moisturizing lotion, and they really did the trick, if I must say so. So like I said, this unit is 18 inches. I don't think that it's any cons with this unit, but I will say that it's not really doing anything that any other headband unit has not already done. But I will say that the texture is very soft. It did not take much to go ahead and style it. I sprayed it down with the water bottle, and then I used my foam and my moisturizing lotion to go ahead and give it a little bit of some more moisture. And I must say also, the Design Essentials, they are the business for all of these water wave looks, okay? But I think this unit would be really cute in a longer length. But even this length right here, being 18 inches, very natural. It's very easy to for maintenance. It's very easy to style. A everyday length, if that makes sense. It's an everyday length. The headband looks really cute, the one that they went ahead and gave me to wear with it. I would say that the unit definitely is a 9 out of 10, 10 out of 10. There's no cons with this unit. Like I said, the only con is that it's not really doing anything that we haven't already seen with the headband units. But you could go ahead and style this like I've done before on plenty of other videos. You could go ahead and pull it so you're kind of getting that little side part look. And like I said before, if you guys wanted to go ahead and hold it in place with a bobby pin, you could also do that. You could go ahead and rock it to the side. You could go ahead and pull it up for a half up, half down look. The hair does feel very soft, so that's a good job, UNice. The hair does feel very soft. See? So you could go ahead and pull it up for a half up, half down look. You could even rock it in a little top knot. So I give this unit a thumbs up. Like I said, very easy styling. If you are new to units, you definitely want to go ahead and get you a headband wig. That is the way to go. And I'm going to go ahead and close out this video, and I'm going to leave the information down below. If anybody is interested, there will be a discount code available. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Let me know down. All right, guys, so sorry I had to come right back because my camera died. But long story short, this hair is definitely a win-win. I don't want to deter you guys by saying that it's nothing different from any other headband unit, because the texture is on point. It definitely feels soft and manageable. Some hair does not have good quality, and the quality is there. And like I said, they also include some cute little eyelashes with their name on it. So I feel like the packaging is a thumbs up. The hair texture is a thumbs up. But the quality is there. So go ahead and pick up this unit and let me know how you guys feel about it. So I would say 9 out of 10, 10 out of 10. And thank you, UNice, for sponsoring this video for me. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.